up guys, this is Ryan from EZVIZ sales team. So you're watching now is the first EZVIZ Product Show.
This cute little thing here is our EZVIZ C1C, designed for the simple and quick installation. It has a magnetic base and mounting kit, so you can just put it anywhere you like, super easy. For information, many people use this as a baby monitor because it has a very good night vision. It can see up to 40 feet at night.
Thanks for watching our show today.
Thank you.
Well, bye till next time.
Bye.